Ever stop to think about how much you use your saliva in a day? Probably not, right? But this often overlooked body fluid plays an essential role in our daily lives. From the moment you take your first bite at breakfast to the last word you utter before you sleep, saliva is there doing its job quietly. It's time to give this unsung hero the recognition it deserves. Prepare to be amazed as we dive into the secret world of saliva. Saliva, a seemingly simple substance, is a complex cocktail of components. It's predominantly made up of water, around 99% to be precise. But it's that remaining 1% that truly works wonders. This minute fraction is composed of a variety of elements including enzymes, proteins, minerals, and even antibacterial compounds. Each of these elements plays a crucial part in maintaining our health and well-being. The star producers of this fascinating fluid are the salivary glands. We have 3 pairs of these major glands stationed in our mouths, each secreting a unique concoction of saliva. The parotid glands located near our ears deliver a watery mix rich in enzymes. The submandibular glands, nestled beneath our jaw, contribute a slightly thicker secretion. Lastly, the sublingual glands positioned under our tongue add a viscous touch to the mix. Clearly, saliva is more than just water in your mouth. When you bite into your favorite food, saliva springs into action. This unsung hero of health is more than a simple liquid. It's a vital player in the digestion process. As soon as food enters your mouth, saliva gets to work. It moistens the food, making it easier to chew and swallow. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Saliva contains an enzyme called amylase, which begins the process of breaking down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars. That's right, digestion begins in your mouth, not your stomach. But that's not all. Saliva also plays a crucial role in our ability to taste. Saliva helps dissolve food particles, which then bind to taste receptors on our tongue, allowing us to enjoy the flavors of our meals. So next time you savor a meal, thank your saliva. Saliva, your mouth's unsung hero in maintaining oral health. This humble fluid does more than just keep our mouths moist. It plays a crucial role in preserving our teeth and gums. How? Let's dive in. Firstly, saliva neutralizes acids. Ever wondered how our mouth handles the acidic foods we consume? That's where saliva steps in. It contains bicarbonates which neutralize the acids, preventing them from damaging our teeth and gums. Secondly, saliva fights off bacteria. It's an antimicrobial powerhouse packed with enzymes such as lysozyme and lactoferrin that obliterate harmful microbes, keeping oral infections at bay. Lastly, saliva helps prevent tooth decay. It acts as a natural mouthwash, washing away food particles that might otherwise stick to our teeth and lead to cavities. Plus, it contains minerals like calcium and phosphate that help repair early tooth decay. Without saliva, our oral health would be in serious jeopardy. Beyond digestion and oral health, saliva has other surprising roles. You might not realize it, but saliva is a crucial player in wound healing. It contains growth factors that promote cell regeneration and antibodies that prevent infection. Next time you have a small cut in your mouth, remember it's your saliva working behind the scenes to fix things up. Saliva is also our unsung hero when it comes to speech. It lubricates our oral cavity, making it easier for us to articulate words and communicate effectively. Without it, speaking would be a dry and difficult task. And there's more. Saliva is a treasure trove of information about our health. It can be used as a diagnostic tool, offering insights into our body's state of health or disease. From detecting hormonal changes to identifying certain diseases, saliva is a valuable, non-invasive source of vital health information. But what happens when saliva production goes awry? Disorders like dry mouth or xerostomia can occur, leading to difficulties in speaking, eating, and maintaining oral health. It can be caused by various factors including medication side effects, aging, or certain medical conditions. It's a reminder of how important saliva is to our daily comfort and overall health. Saliva, truly a jack of all trades, is essential to our health in ways we often overlook. From aiding digestion to protecting your teeth, saliva plays a vital role in our daily lives. It's not just spit, you see. It's a fascinating concoction of water, enzymes and proteins that works tirelessly to keep our mouths clean, help us taste our food and even heal our wounds. And let's not forget its unique roles in the animal kingdom. And remember, we produce 1 to 2 liters of this incredible substance every day. That's something to smile about. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and for more fascinating insights.